Welcome friends to the Did You Know series. Today we will be talking about water weed. So water weeds are basically a natural phenomena. They would only occur or get produced in a water body if there is contamination in the water body. It might have a high value of nutrients, for example phosphorus, nitrate, sulfur, etc. Right? So they get created in the water body because of the contamination. Whereas in a healthy water body, you will not find any weeds growing because they will not survive. If the water is healthy, the water weeds will not survive in that. You will find many technologies, for example, wetland technology. They are trying to treat the wastewater using these kind of plants which can absorb the nutrients, and they try to clean the water body using these. But these are a very temporary solutions, because if the contaminant flow or the sewage flow is constant in the water body, then these weeds, rather than drying up or dying, they will multiply. In a healthy water body, normally the weeds will not be there, or if you do the treatment and the water get treated, then these weeds will dry up and they will sink in the water body, and they will be decomposed like any other organic matter. Using our ecological rejuvenation process for the water body, you will find that once we do the treatment for the contaminated water, water gets treated, it gets healthy, then these weeds will dry up and sink in the water body, and you will not find any of such weeds growing in the same water body which was contaminated. The whole process is in situ. We don't tell you to stop any flow of the sewage. So to know more on the solution, you can get in touch with us. Here is our website address and the email address, and we look forward to help you. Thank you so much.